Alright everybody, let's see what we got here. Welcome to my Ultrasonic Cleaner unboxing video. And we're going to be unboxing. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We got an air pocket. Why did they send it in a box so much bigger than the actual thing? Alright, 1 second here. 1 second. Alright. Now this is a little more screen size. So the ultrasonic cleaner is pretty sweet because it does some really good cleaning. I'll have some videos showing you how well it works. This is manual. How it works, everything like that. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this for a lot of things, but mainly you could use it, for dentures, glasses, any type of jewelry, things like that. You can use it to clean anything. But what I'm specifically going to be using it for is I'm going to be using it for Zippos. I'm going to show a video how you guys can clean an old insert with this and get it looking pretty damn good. And another reason why you want to use this is because I'm going to be doing a lot of nickel plating and copper plating and all sorts of plating coming up. You want to have this because this is what's going to clean your parts the best before you clean it. You want to have it well cleaned before you plate it so everything sticks and looks nice and works good. So, what do we get in here? So, this is the basket. Well, what you'll do is you'll fill this up with your solution, right? And here's your basket. I don't know what this is. Some sort of little tool, screwdriver or whatever. You put a bunch of different bits in there. This is for watches, I believe. Probably won't be needing that. But you put your solution in there and then you put it in, and there's a bunch of different settings you could set for like 3 minutes, 9 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. And you leave it in there and it's just ultrasonic cleaner, vibrates, cleans all your stuff. Here's a protective piece of plastic I'm just going to take off. There, and then you get to see in there and you get to see what your pieces are doing and everything. And this was cheap, guys. This was only like $40 Canadian, free delivery. So I did get it on special. It might be $49.99 again, because that's what it originally was, but I got a little discount on it, so I only paid $40. But and this is a very good lens polishing cloth. This is a very soft rag. This is something you might want to trust in wiping your Zippo with. It's very soft cloth, very good cloth to have. I never get sick of getting these, right? Because I go through a lot of them. So I'll be putting this one away. Yeah, this is going to be really good. This is really going to step it up a notch for the plating and things like that. And just things I need around the house done too in this. It's not a bad machine to have, man. Like everyone should probably get one. If you're into doing things or cleaning things, like watch the inserts I clean with this. Wait till you see that video when I'm cleaning inserts with this. It's going to be pretty cool. Alright everyone, so that was just a nice quick short video for you, a little unboxing of the DK Sonic. And I'll have a video for you showing you how to use it, how to make your own solution for it, how well it works, how dirty of a piece it'll clean, or we're going to put this thing to the test, guys. So if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, like, share, everything you do helps. Go to my Patreon. I just want to thank Ringo, Kilo Tango, Onion, 3/4 Nord, Revan, all my Patreon members. Take care, everyone.